Welcome to the Sir Banks Gold Channel. I'm currently on a land that shares a property with Twisted X and Driftwood. And it also shares a property with an incredible neighborhood. I definitely want to live upon it. I'll show you around. So, this is an incredible trail. I do wish this area has way much better lighting. It'd be very incredible to have where you go to theaters that have that nice under seating or the set lights. It'd be very incredible to put a concrete rock right under here and put a light there. And not have a solar panel controlled by a battery system that can generate all the lights here by not a typical battery, a gel battery. Okay. So I'm hoping I get enough viewers from this YouTube channel so I'm able to buy a house in Driftwood. This incredible neighborhood is calling my YouTube name Sir Banks Gold. It'd be very incredible to buy a house here. I need to able to buy a house here so I can able to do videos on sunsets and much more integration on trails, trees, and entities. I feel like this is my calling to be at my home sooner than later. This is a very incredible town, Driftwood. Technically, it's incorporated by Driftwood area. And people drive very fast in this road right here.